There's a me without you. In the darkest hour, we're like fading flowers, energy devoured, but you're holding on. In the loudest silence, we're like dirt and diamonds. Our words hit like sirens, yet you're holding on. You can lie to me, you can say we're meant to be, but no words can ever change the way I feel. I can't lie to you, 'cause I wouldn't know how to. And I'm sorry that it hurts, but it's the truth.
I'm just going to jump in there and thank you all for joining me as we check out Jansen with Me Without You. And wow, her vocals are just nothing short of absolutely breathtaking. The way she can have these powerful lows in a song and then these absolutely just kind of soaring highs is just nothing short of incredible. The way she is just kind of navigating through this song, it's captivating, it's beautiful. Her vocals, like I mentioned, are just stunning. And yeah, I love this rock. It's this symphonic metal and acoustical kind of merger together. I mean, we've checked it out in the past with Nightwish, and yeah, she is just incredible, absolutely incredible. And I am so keen to get back to this, so I'll knock it back a fraction. Let's see it through to the end.
I can't lie to you, 'cause I wouldn't know how to. And I'm sorry that it hurts, but it's the truth. There's a me without you. Let's just stop pretending, 'cause we know how this is ending. Nothing left worth mending, so quit holding on. I can't take this faking. All that's left is breaking. I must heal the aching, so I'm letting go. You can lie to me, you can say we're meant to be, but no words can ever change the
Okay, everybody, that was the wonderful Floor Jansen with Me Without You, and I mentioned it earlier, her vocals are just breathtaking. The way she can take, like I said, take you on these lows and these highs, and you can feel all the way through the song, especially in those low points, you knew there was just going to be this another big soaring high. You could feel the tension of it. You knew it was coming. The anticipation was fantastic. Yeah, absolutely, just so impressive, so very impressive. And yeah, this mix of the symphonic elements to it with that kind of that rock voice that she's got, that power, just merges together so incredibly well. There's not many people like her who are able to do this, and yeah, a great song as well. The lyrics wonderful, great to have them on the screen in a way to follow along. Sometimes you kind of just get lost in a video and some of the songs go past, and it just felt perfect, absolutely perfect. It was like poignant. It was very relatable song. It resonated with you a little bit. You felt the emotion of all of it, and I love the video as well. Very simplistic but very cinematic, and just the color of it. It was just perfect. It really added to the tone of the song, and it's very interesting to see and listen to her, as a standalone artist, away from Nightwish. So really looking forward to checking out more of the solo work. So if you've got any suggestions, you get those down below, and I cannot wait to check them out, because this has been an incredible start to Floor's solo career. So very excited for more. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, and until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye for now.